Hey everyone, it's Angela, and today we're making one of my very first recipes on Bake It with Love. This is the chocolate chip Rolo's cookie cups or cookie bites, whichever way you want to call them. They are super easy to make and filled with that caramel bit, which makes them so fantastic. And we're going to start with semi-melted butter, just really super softened is fine, with both types of sugar, brown sugar and granulated white sugar. And then we're going to cream that together until it's fully combined and add baking soda and salt and vanilla. Then we add the eggs and we're going to mix the wet ingredients into the creamed butter and sugar. We're going to mix this until it's well combined, and then we're going to add the flour and mix that so that all of the flour is distributed throughout the wet ingredients and moistened. Once we have that mixed in, we'll add the mini chocolate chips and just kind of fold them in until you can see they're evenly distributed throughout the cookie dough. Take your cookie dough and put it into your greased mini muffin tin. They can be full, as you can see here, or 2/3 or 3/4 full. It depends on how many cookie bites you'd like to make, because obviously if you use a little bit less, you can make this dough go a little further. And make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Once these are all filled, we're going to bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're nice and golden. They don't have to be super baked though, because remember that when they're in the cookie tin here, they're going to continue to bake when they come out of the oven. And once they come out of the oven, that's when we're going to put an indent in so that we can pop that candy into the center. I've got 48 of the unwrapped Rolos ready to place inside my cookie cups here. Pop a single candy into each of these cookie cups and then either serve this while they're nice and warm and gooey, or put them on a wire cooling rack to cool completely so you can store them and share them later. Any which way, these cookies are so delicious. I know how much you're going to love these. They're the perfect compromise between my husband, who is absolutely a chocolate chip cookie fanatic, and me, who loves caramel a lot more than just the chocolate. So, are you team caramel or team chocolate? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to visit Bake It with Love, where I have over 2,000 recipes for you to enjoy and love the food you make.